का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे।
It's true. Whatever is old is actually valued as gold, like the Syama Prasad Mookerjee Port, Kolkata, the oldest port among all major ports of India, established in 1870, celebrating 153 years of glorious service to the nation. The test of time is the key phrase here, as investors always prefer to invest in such a time-tested company as SMPK, the oldest and only riverine major port of India. MoPSW is organizing Global Maritime India Summit 2023 from the 17th to the 19th of October 2023 at New Delhi. The event will have an investor summit to facilitate interaction and collaboration among Indian and international maritime companies, policymakers, investors and other stakeholders. In view of the forthcoming Global Maritime India Summit, Syama Prasad Mookerjee Port Trust of Kolkata has a bouquet of high ROI-based projects to offer for the investors. Total project worth 5,215.47 crores has been planned to expand the SMPK capacity, out of which projects worth 5,047.66 crore rupees will be in PPP mode, rupees 167.81 crores of the project in EPC mode. Some of the key projects include extended gate facility at Balaghar, the barge terminal for midstream traffic, construction of 2 new berths in RMQCs and a 55-acre storage yard at Outer Container Terminal, reconstruction of berth number 8 and mechanization of berth number 7 and 8 NSD at KDS, development of multimodal logistics park at Hyde Road, development of commercial complex near Armenian Ghat, transloading operation at anchorages under SMPK. So the stage is all set. Are you ready to invest?